Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kanyin.alabi and today I'm going to do an updated review on this vintage sofa sleeper that I got from Walmart. I first recorded a video on August 27, 2016 and it's been a year and 8 months later, and a lot of questions have come up on the video, and I just even got a question yesterday, so I decided that I was going to just do another video to answer all the questions that you guys may have about this sofa sleeper. Okay, so the first question I got was pretty much about the width and length of this couch that I'm sitting on currently, and I'm 5'5.5", so that should just give you an idea of what it looks like when I lay on it, which is like, oh. So yeah, that's what it looks like when I lay on it. And also how to recline it: you just push this forward. And recline it, you just push it forward and down until you hear it creak when you move it forward and back. Yes, Justina, it just comes in that skinny box. Sasha Girl 1013 is asking about the thickness of the fabric, and that pretty much, this couch is it's thick in my opinion. Also, the only thing I'll say about it is that I got this little scratch right here, and I'll just do like a close-up so that you guys can see. But the scratch is from the fact that when I moved apartments, the edge of my table scratched it, and in the U-Haul, so that's what happened to it, and that's my fault. But apart from that, it's perfectly fine. The fabric is pretty thick. Nini I says, okay, thank you so much. I didn't even care. I didn't change the pillows since that day, honestly, because I just didn't even bother buying other pillows. Love my low empty box. Yes, in the video that I first did, which I'm going to actually link right here so that you guys can check it out, they just put an empty box in there, and I was like, what? I want to order it, but is it comfy enough for everyday use? So for a year and 8 months, it has become softer. When it first came, it was pretty sturdy, and I couldn't like necessarily bounce the way I'm bouncing on it. This is like, I can feel the spring now, which is like good for me. But before, it was pretty sturdy, so it depends on how you use it. If you find this as just a decorative piece in your apartment or in your workplace, then it's not going to become sturdy. It's not going to become softer if people aren't really sitting on it or laying on it. Sade says it's from Walmart. I don't know if I said that in the video, but I put Walmart on the title of it. I actually bought from Walmart. I'm going to try and link this there. There were so many colors, I wasn't sure what color to pick. I would pick any color personally, because I'm not that all white type of person. I like color in my life, so if I saw like a light pink one, I would absolutely love that. A green one. It just depends on what you accentuate everything with. And even with all those colors, all these bright colors, I feel like gold, silver, like fur, all that stuff is going to fit with those colors. So just consider that if you're thinking about getting a sofa sleeper like this. Patricia says, I've been debating on getting one of these couches from Walmart. I'm definitely going to get one now. Thank you so much for sharing. You're welcome, Patricia. Booktube couple says, I can't figure out how to make it flat. Like I showed you guys earlier, I showed you guys how to make it flat. Pearl Rose, hey Pearl. I actually know Pearl. Thanks. Why am I saying thank you? It looks comfy. I'm pretty sure you sat on this couch. It does look comfy, but it's not as comfy as you think. Like, I've sat on like couches that are like hella comfy, that once you just sit here, you just want to sleep off inside. This isn't one of those couches. Melavision says, yes, 2 people can fit on it. Like I said, I'm going to put the measurements on the screen. I'm going to put it again. I probably put it already. I'm going to put this again here so you guys can see the measurements and figure out how whoever the people that will be sleeping on this or sitting on this, how it will fit them, or if it won't fit them, because this isn't that long. Also, cute. Teresa says cute sofa. Thank you. Hopo says I like it. Thanks. I like the pillows on them. Thank you. I still have the same pillows on them. Like I said, it's a very nice color. Thank you. Is it comfortable? Yes. After a couple months and years, months of having it, it is comfortable. Is it comfortable to sleep on? I actually love sleeping on this thing. Like, I enjoy it. And even my mother sat on it. I'm sure she likes it because of how sturdy it is. So also, it depends on what you like. If you're like the Tempur-Pedic type of person where you like soft and like hard, this is probably that for you. And if you're like a person that likes like soft, like waterbed type, this is not it. Does it open into a bed? Yes, it does. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.